Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are exploring how to create a business social media ad using 3D Workspace in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and import the ad layout. I pause because ads need attention fast. I convert the headline into 3D text. The 3D Workspace activates. I tilt the text slightly. I reduce depth to keep clarity. Business ads must stay readable. I adjust lighting to highlight the message. I zoom out and check contrast. The ad now feels dynamic and scroll-stopping. 3D Workspace adds motion without animation. I stop editing before it feels heavy. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.